Hello there, welcome to our wonderful place here in Golden Bay, where we do our healing work in person and at distance. Mari is here, he does the energy work and sound healing. And I read Akashic Records and assist you with your healing journey.
Where I sit is holy, holy is this ground. Forest, mountain, river, listen to the sound. Great Spirit circles all around me. Where we live is holy, body, mind.
So that is a very old one. That is 55 or 56. She served in the Dutch army a long time ago.
Making this world whole.
I joined the army as a conscripted soldier in 1963. And then in the driver school I drove the same Jeep like this one. And there's a bit of sentiment, as you can understand.
Where we live is holy, body, mind and soul.
Here is our gong room. We do our healings here.
Healing, making this world whole.
And here is the pond. Here is an old cattle trough. We use it for flowers now. Most of the trees you see on the property here we planted about 20 or 25 years ago. Between those posts is a road that goes down. That is another entrance or exit, just how you see it.
Forest, mountain, river, listen to the sound.
It is only entrance with our four-wheel drive. You can even walk it, but when you are over it is a bit difficult. Here is a stump of a very old tree. It has to come down because it's a bit dangerous for falling over.
Where I sit is holy.
Here is a tiny house of one of our neighbors.
Forest, mountain, river, listen to the sound. Great Spirit circles all